Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love channel. Why? When? To restore milk teeth. Before knowing this, we have to know about the deciduous teeth exfoliation time, upper milk teeth exfoliation time. Central incisor is 6 to 7 years. Lateral incisor is 7 to 8 years. Canine is 10 to 12 years. First molar is 9 to 11 years. Second molar is 10 to 12 years. Lower milk teeth exfoliation time. Central incisor is 6 to 7 years. Lateral incisor is 7 to 8 years. Canine is 9 to 12 years. First molar is 9 to 11 years. Second molar is 10 to 12 years. Here is the tabular column for deciduous exfoliation time for your reference. Why should I restore milk teeth? Untreated decay, cavities/holes, on baby teeth can damage the developing adult tooth, or adjacent adult teeth already in the mouth. It is best to restore baby teeth to stop or slow the progression of decay, preventing early loss of primary teeth. Baby teeth are designed to be natural space maintainers. The baby teeth serve as guides for the permanent teeth to erupt into normal position. When baby teeth are lost prematurely or severely broken down due to dental decay, abnormal shifting can occur prior to the permanent tooth erupting into the mouth. Why should I restore milk teeth? If a primary teeth has more than 1 year to exfoliate, restore the teeth to serve as natural space maintainer. If not, less than a year exist, leave the teeth as it is. Don't restore. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.